Hello and welcome to Money Control. Let's catch up on the latest news from the stock market. From significant investments to major deals, order wins, and acquisition, here is a quick look at which stocks will be in focus in today's trade. First up, Tata Motors. If we talk about the company, then the company has posted profits which have slipped by 22% year on year to rupees 5,451 crore in quarter 3. Revenues have jumped by 3% year on year to rupees 1.13 lakh crore in quarter 3. In fact, your JLR, it has posted record quarter 3 revenue, highest EBIT margin in a decade. JLR revenue were up by 1.5% year on year in quarter 3, on track to achieve profitability in financial year 2025 as per the JLR. Now, the second stock which is going to be in focus is Bajaj Finance. Net profit rises 18% year on year to rupees 4,308 crore in quarter 3. NII rises 23% year on year to rupees 9,382 crore in quarter 3. GNPA at 1.12% in comparison to 0.95% year on year in quarter 3. NNPA at 0.48% in comparison to 0.37% year on year in quarter 3. Another stock which is going to be in focus is SRF. Revenues were up by 14.4% year on year to rupees 3,491 crore in quarter 3. Net profit was up 7% year on year to rupees 271 crore in quarter 3. EBITDA up 9.5% year on year to rupees 620 crore in quarter 3. EBITDA margins, however, slipped at 17.7% in comparison to 18.5% year on year in quarter 3. Another stock which is going to be in focus is L&T. L&T's revenue jumped 18% year on year to rupees 65,065 crore in quarter 3 as per MC poll. In fact, your profits were increased by 24% year on year to rupees 2,947 crore in quarter 3 again as per the MC poll. Another stock which is going to be in focus is Voltas. Voltas quarter 3 consolidated year-on-year profit stands at rupees 130.8 crore. Revenues grew by 18.3% to rupees 3,105.1 crore in comparison to rupees 2,625.7 crore. EBITDA spikes 594.5% to rupees 197.4 crore in comparison to rupees 28.4 crore. In fact, your margins have expanded sharply to 6.4% in comparison to 1.1%. So with that, it's a wrap. For more such updates, keep watching moneycontrol.com and please like, share and subscribe to Money Control's YouTube channel.